if you're starting out, this makes your monetization journey much easier. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we talk about how to grow on YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about one of the hardest things to do, and it's get 4,000 hours of watch time, which, if you didn't know, that's how many hours you need on your channel watched to be able to qualify to get monetized, to start earning money, along with the 1,000 subscribers. But I would argue that getting watch time is kind of harder. So today we're going to talk about a couple methods that I have learned and that I have used to get a lot of watch time and be able to monetize my channel. So for the longest time, the main way to get watch time on YouTube was simply by just grinding out videos and trying to pump out as much as you can to end up getting to that point. But nowadays, there are so many ways and different types of videos that you can make to get that watch time. One of those being, and one of the newer ones, is short videos. And I know you're going to be thinking like, well, why would I want to post a short video to try to get more watch time? That doesn't make any sense. Essentially, short form content right now is big. It's booming thanks to TikTok. YouTube is trying to replicate that by making, their whole entire short section. And you're seeing these channels blow up basically from utilizing the short videos feature. So yeah, the video is short, but you're gonna have a higher chance of going a little viral and getting more watch time in the beginning than you would on a normal video. Because let's face it, when you're first starting off on YouTube, your first 100 videos aren't going to do that well, and you've seen that channels with little to no subscribers are just using this short form content to get that high retention, because it's very easy to get 100% retention on a 30-second video. And that's something that YouTube really looks at. If they see that people are watching this entire video regardless of the length, that they're going to promote it more. And that's how you're getting these channels to boom and get these crazy numbers because of that. So if you're the type of channel that just wants that watch time quickly, you could just use these types of short form videos to end up getting to that point. Understand that those short form video content, it doesn't make you money. The CPM is very low, and I'm sure as we speak that CPM is getting lower and lower. What I mean by that is basically there are certain advertisers that put their money on certain videos, right? So the advertisers that are going to want to promote their products or whatever on short form videos, they only have so much money. So the more people that post these short videos, the thinner and thinner the money supply is going to be. So you're starting to see a little bit of a type of adpocalypse thing going on right now, where smaller channels are dying. People who post very short form content but that take a lot of effort, they're being left in the dust because there's this new wave of TikTok simple content that's taken over YouTube. All right, so to show you an example of what I'm talking about, right here's a 12-second video that I got 418,000 views on, which is insane. Remember, I'm a small creator, so getting this number on my channel was a dream come true. However, you're gonna want to look at this right here. This is very important. How much money did I make off of it? $8 off of 400,000 videos. When this video happened, I was like, am I gonna get $400? No, because in terms of advertisement and CPM, it wasn't worth that much. But the big but, look at the watch time, 1.4K. Thing is, I was already monetized, so that didn't really matter to me. That helps in gaining more impressions and being able to promote other videos to a larger audience. If you're starting out, this makes your monetization journey much easier. And that wasn't the only one. I did this because I saw channels that were smaller than mine getting crazy views, getting millions of views off of like 10-13 second clips. Look at this one, 327,000 views, 1.2K watch hours. Again, $8. Now we're at like 2.4 thousand watch hours just with these short form videos. And again, guys, you should be like really getting motivated off of this, because these videos took little to no effort on my part. I felt a little bit more comfortable doing these types of videos because, one, it made sense with my channel because I like to talk about Spider-Man and Marvel and gaming a lot, so it fit with my niche. If I was a new channel and I did that, I would almost be monetized already with the subscribers that I got from literal 12-second videos. Think about that. You could genuinely be doing this and getting these numbers. Like, it's not like rocket science. It's a short form video. People are going to watch 100% of 13 seconds because it's going to be very hard for them to have any time to process like Do I skip this video? Do I like this video? That's why these videos are booming. Not to mention that this video right here didn't have that many views. These viewers were led to these videos, and it basically just gave a bubble and burst of impressions to my channel, which led to more watch time overall on my channel. If you're a new creator, I genuinely recommend this way of growing your channel. Obviously there's ways to promote on other social media sites, but doing this on YouTube instead of promoting on other websites, like, I feel like this is the way and kind of the future of, you know, smaller creators being able to grow more easily. And what I did though, now this is the other way to get major watch time. If you're able to stream, please listen to these words. If you're able to stream, that is the easiest way, besides from, you know, posting 10-30-second clips, to get watch time and also grow a community. Now, when all those crazy videos were happening, right, when I was just posting those 30-second clips, I knew that if I played my cards right, that I could stream with those viewers, right? Stream that game the night it came out. I did a countdown. Now, granted, this is like a unique event. Regardless, I want you to look at the watch time that I got. 860 hours of watch time with me just streaming playing Spider-Man. 20,000 views on his stream. By far, this is my best stream yet, and I made $138 roughly off of, you know, obviously ads and then people donating. When you have that many people in your stream, you're gonna be able to get more super chats. You're gonna have more chances for people to donate. Now, granted, that's like when you're growing and your channel's doing a little bit better, but streaming, you can easily get like 20 hours of watch time if you have a little bit of a small audience, just by streaming a game real quick or whatever type of content you do. It doesn't have to be gaming. You don't even have to show your face or be talking. You can just stream you doing whatever you do on your channel. And there's an audience for everything. Please use what I am telling you to grow your channel, because there are so many methods of obviously doing this, but I feel like this is the easiest way, and I really want you guys to tell me if the same results happen to you. Now, if I was a new channel, I basically would have gotten monetized in a month. Like, it was that crazy, but it was because I saw a window. I saw this type of content. People were uploading 10 to 30-second videos, and they were banking on it. They were getting that watch time. More watch time, not only does it get you monetized, but that is an indicator for YouTube to push out your whole entire channel. Not just that video, but they'll start promoting any of your videos basically, and you're gonna start to see subscribers coming in. You see that watch time, and before you know it, that money. Please let me know if this does end up working for you, or if you try it, because this is the way. Basically, this is probably the easiest way that you're going to be able to make your channel monetized much quicker. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and remember, anyone can YouTube.